Alright guys. We'll be looking at this vending machine. It's like a sandwich and onigiri vending machine. This Pringles at the bottom too. You see my Crocky Crocs right there? Look at that, Crocky Crocs. Anyways, what are we getting? 55? What's 55?
That grape one.
55. Are we getting the grape juice? What is that? And then what?
I think you were just in a way.
It worked, right? It worked. Let's go. Tap to pay worked. Oh. It's working. Oh my gosh, tap to pay. Stop tapping.
Watching down from the vending machine. That's sad.
A lot of people die in the vending machine actually. Alright, what is this?
Grape flavor.
Can't you read it, bro? Oh no. Alright, open it. It's probably just grape juice.
It says right.
Light. Open it? Okay. Let's go in there.
You guys want the triangle?
Alright, try it. Alright, cheers guys. What is this?
All of this just tastes like grape.
Mayonnaise.
Did you like the sandwich? Oh wait,
It's very chewy. It's even chewier than gelatin and jello. So, anyways.
I eat the whole thing.
Oh, this is super good. It's like so chewy.
It works.
Oh, it worked.
Yeah.
I think it's cat fur on you. Oh wait, Teresa, what does that call again? That chocolate ball again? What does it call again?
Super good and chewy. It's not as cold. It doesn't get that cold. But it's super good. Alright. This is the tuna mayonnaise onigiri. Let's try this out. Okay. Why is it so sticky? Sticking to the bag. Is this brown rice or just like soy sauce probably? Or soy sauce, right? Where's the meat? Okay, it's right inside. Okay, let's take a bite. Pretty good.
Oh, isn't that the kimbap?
Really good. It's really good. It tastes like tuna mayonnaise, soft rice.
Yeah.
What did you get? You got same thing?
Yeah, unless someone wants salmon.
This is that good, bro. Now we're gonna try the tuna mayonnaise, but with triangle form, which is for some reason 10 yen more expensive. I'm assuming it tastes better or something. That's why they charge extra 10 yen. I don't know the conversion factor, to be honest. Oh yeah. Ooh, if it's cool in here. Come here. Oh yeah, look at that. So many Japanese characters I can't read. Alright, let's open this up. Triangle form of tuna mayonnaise. I feel like the shape makes it taste better or something. Oh yeah.
Ah, it broke a little.
No! A lot. They broke a lot. No. They scammed us. How could they? What the fuck? Oh my god. It's so badly wrapped. What's this quality? Let's try a bite.
Give that.
Okay, pretty good. I like the other one better. The sugar one.
It's this one. What's this one?
So you got the sweet red bean bun, and you got another tuna mayonnaise circle one because it's super good.
You're in my Instagram video.
Oh, you're Instagramming? Oops, my bad. Got another one, tuna mayonnaise circle one. It's really good. And try this. What is this? Red bean donut, or is this the other one? What's the other one? Custard cream and whipped cream donut. Cheers. Pretty good. We're out the 4 times. Tap to pay finally worked. We're getting ham, cheese. What is it? Ham, cheese, and cheese, ham, cucumber, tuna, and egg sandwich. Oh, yeah.